Hi guys, welcome back to Budget Buying. Today, we are checking out the best car air pump that makes tire inflation quick, simple, and stress-free wherever you are. If you want a reliable tool for your car or bike, this might be the one. Let's get started. Let's start with a quick overview. The Laibu Car Air Pump is a compact and portable air compressor designed to help you inflate tires and other items with ease. Whether you are at home or on the road, the Laibu Car Air Pump gives you a simple way to keep your tires in good condition. One of the most impressive things about the Laibu Car Air Pump is its powerful performance. Even though it is small, it can deliver up to 150 psi. This means it can inflate your tires quickly, saving you time and effort when you need it the most. Another great feature is its wide compatibility. The Laibu Car Air Pump is not just for cars. You can also use it for motorcycles, bicycles, and even sports equipment like balls. This makes it a very useful all-in-one tool that fits many different needs. The electric operation is another big advantage. Instead of using manual effort, the Laibu Car Air Pump does the work for you. The wired version runs on a 12V power source from your car, while the wireless option supports USB charging. This gives you flexibility to use it anywhere without hassle. Portability is where this pump really shines. The Laibu Car Air Pump is lightweight and easy to carry, so you can keep it in your car without taking up much space. It is perfect for emergencies, road trips, or daily use. In terms of design, the Laibu Car Air Pump is built to be simple and user-friendly. Its compact size makes it easy to handle, and the overall build feels practical and durable for everyday use. You can quickly set it up and start using it without confusion. In real life, this pump can be a lifesaver. Imagine you are on a long drive and notice low tire pressure. Instead of searching for a gas station, you can use the Laibu Car Air Pump right away. It also helps cyclists and sports lovers who need quick inflation on the go. This product is best for car owners, bike riders, travelers, and anyone who wants a reliable and easy way to handle tire inflation without stress. Here's the best part. Check the price link in the description, and don't forget to like and subscribe to Budget Buying for more useful products like this. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.